Hi guys, I hope you're doing great. Guys, today I'm here to present a reliable and unbiased piece of information about Keep America Great Again.com. So guys, if you're ready to get and grab knowledge, for that you need to stay with me, watch the video till the end and do like and subscribe to our channel. So guys, you might be thinking about that what is Keep America Great Again.com. So guys, as per the latest reports, Keep America Great Again maybe sound like that it might seems to be belong to President Trump. But on the contrary, it is a slogan to get a facelift for the Trump 2020 presidential work. Guys, it states that the website Keep America Great Again is the site provides what it promises has been made by Mr. Trump that were not at all get accomplished and broken badly. The site has looked to every issue, jobs, economy, immigration, COVID situation and linked to what Trump has promised and what he had done. Official Donald Trump Keep America Great hat in 2016. Donald Trump promised to make America great again, and now we have to keep America great. Order your Keep America Great cap today. It states what promises are made by Donald Trump and what in the present condition it is there. Guys, before moving ahead, do like and subscribe to our channel as it will motivate us to do better. So guys, yes, as per the latest information, the website bottom there is a logo of that is Biden Harris and a graphic is saying that it was paid for by Biden for president. Guys, as per the latest reports, the Biden has taken into Twitter during the Republican National Convention to denounce the president tweeted out a link to Keep America Great. He stated that American president has promised to keep America great again. He has promised to do great things for the people, but what America is facing is all can see. So guys, yes, as per the news, Hogan Gidley, Trump campaign secretary, told to CBS News that if you can buy any domain name, Biden, you can buy. But Biden, you cannot buy your 47 years of failure in elected office. As per the verdict, he stated that Biden cannot buy anything except the domain name because he has failed in elected office for 47 years. And as per the latest news, the Trump Keep Great American 2020 caps are also available, which portrays that what Donald had promised in 2016 and what is there people are facing in 2020. It's been 4 years and this website portrays what the promises Trump has made to developed American in a better way and what American people and citizens are facing. So guys, yes, if you found our information helpful, do like, share, comment, and for the latest news and updates, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much guys for being such a warm audience. Thank you so much for a precious time. We will going to come again with the next video. Till then, be safe and be informed.